Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your Redmi runs Android 9 or later. Check your model and firmware in Settings. Next, choose a trusted DNS provider like 1.1.1.1, Cloudflare DNS, COM, or DNS. AdGuard, COM. Write down your original DNS settings before changes. Ensure you have active Wi-Fi or mobile data to validate the configuration. If you use a VPN, plan to disable it briefly. Back up any important network profiles or screenshots for easy recovery later. Having these steps ready saves open settings on your Redmi and tap connection and sharing. Scroll to find private DNS and tap to open its options. Choose private DNS provider hostname to enter a custom address. Type a provider address such as 1.1.1.1, Cloudflare DNS, COM, or DNS. AdGuard, COM exactly. Tap Save or OK to apply the change and wait a few seconds for confirmation. Do not restart immediately. Allow the system to validate the hostname. If an error appears, recheck spelling and your network connection before retrying. Verify the new private DNS by opening a browser and loading a secure website. Check page load speed and confirm content filtering behaves as expected. If pages fail to load, disable any active VPN and test again. Return to private DNS settings and select Automatic if you need to roll back quickly. You can also clear browser and DNS cache or reboot the phone to force resolution. If issues persist, try an alternate provider address and repeat verification steps until connections are stable and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.